Welcome to Tech Tuesday. My name's Anthony from Flemington BMW, and today we're going to demonstrate the automatic parking feature. We're in a 2020 X5, and it's very, very simple on how this works. Obviously, the car has to be in drive. We'll hit our park button here. The reason we're doing that is we want to make sure that our automatic parking is checked off, which it is. And you have to be fairly close to the vehicles while you're driving. So we slowly drive forward, making sure that we're under 22 miles an hour. And then we just wait for the car. It's monitoring the spots. We just wait for the car to prompt us. And it has. So now we hit the letter P here, which is the parking space we're selecting. You release the wheel, release your foot from the brake, and then just let the car do its thing. Now you can keep your foot hovered over the brake just in case, that the car makes an error, but these cars are very intuitive and that should not happen. And you can see the car is correcting itself. And now it's slowly backing us right into the spot. And then once the act is complete, the car will completely stop. It puts us into park, and it actually even puts the parking brake on for us. And that's been your BMW Minute. Thanks for watching.